Have you ever wondered how you can touch your nose even when your eyes are closed? That's proprioception, your body's sense of position and movement. The word comes from Latin proprius, meaning one's own, and capere, meaning to take or grasp. So proprioception literally means grasping your own position. Special receptors in your muscles, tendons, and joints, called proprioceptors, send signals to your brain about where your body is in space. If a joint stops moving in your spine, this message stops too, and the result is a spinal segment that's not only stuck, but because your brain can't see where it is, it goes out of alignment. Chiropractic adjustments restore movement and alignment, and improve nerve function and sharpen your body's spatial awareness, just like turning a light on. It helps with your posture, your coordination, and even preventing injuries.